Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Jhadeshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 7 Maths, and our chapter is Ratio and Proportion. Student, you know what is ratio. Two numbers or quantity can be compared in two ways, that is either by subtraction or by division. Ratio is a way to comparison to quantity by division. Okay, so ratio is a way by comparing two quantity by division. Okay, a ratio is said to be in its simplest form or in lowest term when its term do not have a common factor except one. Okay, understand? And then we learn about comparison using the ratio. Okay, when we compare two quantity of the same unit, there is no need to write the unit. Hence, ratio are not expressed in unit. They are pure number. A ratio only tell us how many times. Okay, the condition for comparison using ratio as follow. Always compare the quantity of the same kind. Always compare the quantity with the same unit, and ratio have no unit involved in it. Okay, understand? And what is equivalent ratio? To find whether the ratio given ratio are equivalent or not, we write them in the form of fraction, and if these fraction are equal, so are the ratio are equal. Okay, two ratio that have the same value are the equivalent ratio. Okay, understand? And then we learn some application of proportion also, and then we learn of percentage meaning another way of comparing quantity. Okay, so when two ratios are equivalent, then we can say that it's in proportion. Okay, another understand? So whenever the two ratios are equal, we can say that it's in proportion. And the unitary method, we have also learned a method in earlier classes known as unitary method, which we first find the value of one unit and then the value of required number of unit. Okay, understand? So these are two methods, different methods, okay, to find the ratio. Okay, now percentage another way of comparing quantity. Percentage is another way of comparing quantity. Okay, percentage are numerator of a fraction with denominator 100. We can say that if the denominator is 100, it's the meaning percentage. What is the meaning of percent? Percent is derived from Latin word percentum. Okay, meaning per 100. Okay, if we talk about 1%, what is the meaning of 1%? 1% meaning is 1 upon 100. What is the meaning of 2%? Meaning of 2% is 2 upon 100. Okay, understand? So this is the way we use to denote percent. Okay, understand? And percent when total is not 100. अगर हम how to find the percentage of any fraction number? Okay, if the denominator is not 100, then what can you do? You have to make the denominator 100. Okay, when you want to convert any number into percentage, you have to make the denominator 100. Okay, नाउ कन्वर्टिंग फ्रैक्शन नंबर टू परसेंटेज, अगर हमें कोई फ्रैक्शन नंबर को परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करना है, सो व्हाट कैन वी डू? 1/3 इंटू वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 100%. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो इट बिकम 1/3 इंटू 100 अपॉन 100. परसेंटेज का मीनिंग क्या हो बच्चों? 100 अपॉन 100. ओके, एंड इट्स बिकम 100 अपॉन 3%. ओके, व्हेन यू डिवाइड इट, सो योर आंसर इज बिकम, ओके, you have to easily find the percentage. Okay, now we know and we completed exercise 8.2 question number 1, 2 and 3. I hope you are all are completed this question. Okay, now question number 4. What is question number 4? 15% of 250. So what can you do in this question? 15% of 250. You know what is the meaning of off? The meaning of off is multiplication. And what is the meaning of percent? Percentage का साइन जहाँ पर होता है उसका मीनिंग क्या होता है बच्चों? The sign of percentage, meaning of sign percentage is 100. Okay, 1/100. So our answer, our question is 15% of 250. So meaning of these 15/100 of meaning multiplication and it's 250. Okay, 0 से 0 कट होगा. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. So it's a 75/2. When you divide 75 by 2, 15 5s are 75. 75 by 2. Your answer is okay. So when you divide 75 divided by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. What you can get? So your answer is 36. Sorry. 75 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. Okay, so your answer is 37:1/2%. Okay, 37:1/2. Okay, and in your book you can write the answer 37:1/2, or you can write 37.5 also. Okay, understand? So this way you have to write the answer. Now second one, 1% of 1 hour. 1% of 1 hour. What is the answer of this question? 1 hour. In 1 hour, how many minutes are there? In 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Okay, understand? So we want to find 1% of 1 hour. So student, 1% of 1 hour. What is the meaning of 1 hour? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So you have to write 1% of 60 minutes. So it become 1/100 into 60. Okay, so 0 से 0 कट हो जाएगा. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So it become 3/5 minute. Okay, it's 3/5 minute. But if you want to convert it into second, then you know in 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, so you can write it also 3/5 into 60 seconds. Okay, and 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5 and 1 bacha, 5 2s are 10. Okay, 12 3s are 36. So your answer is 36 seconds. Okay, your answer is 1% of 1 hour is equal to 36 seconds. Okay, understand? Or you can write 3/5 minutes. Okay, so this way you complete question number 4. One more I will do for you. 75% of 1 kg. You know in 1 kg you know is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 75% of 1000 gram. So it becomes 75/100 into 1000 gram. 2 0 से 2 0 कट होंगे. So your answer is 750 gram. Okay, understand? So this way you complete question number 4. Okay student, question number 4 you have to complete this way. Now question number 5, find the whole quantity if 5% of it is 600. 5% of it is 600 rupees. Means we have to find the whole quantity. What is your whole quantity? 5% of x is equal to 600. Okay, it's given 5% of whole quantity is 600. Okay, so let the quantity will be x, so 5% of x is equal to 600, so you have to find x. Okay, so in this question, whatever you don't know, whole quantity you don't know. Okay, so you have to take, suppose the whole quantity will be x. Okay, and if the whole quantity will be x, so 5% of x is equal to 600 is given. Okay, so you can write into x is equal to 600. Okay, so what is x? 600 into 100 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5. Okay, so you can get 12,000. Your answer is 12,000. Thus the required quantity is 12,000. Okay, understand? Now second one is tell us 12% of it is 1080. So 12% of x, suppose the required quantity is x, and we know that what is 12% of x is rupees 1080. So it's become 12 upon 100 into x is equal to 1080. Okay, so x is equal to 1080. ये जो 100 है डिनोमिनेटर वो यहाँ आकर न्यूमरेटर हो जाएगा एंड अपॉन 12. ओके, एंड इफ यू when you go to solve it, your answer is 9,000 rupees. 9,000 is your answer. Okay, understand? So this way you complete question number 5. And then question number 6. What about question number 6? Convert given percentage. सी वाला क्वेश्चन जो है आपका क्वेश्चन 5 का, 40% ऑफ इट इज़ 50 किलोमीटर, सो 500 किलोमीटर. So you have to find 40 upon 100 of x is equal to 500 kilometer. Okay, understand? So this way you find. And now D1 is 70% of it is 14 minute. 17% of it is 14 minute. So your answer is in coming minute. Okay, understand? And last one is 8% of it is 40 liter. So you have to solve 8 upon 100 into x is equal to 40 liter. Okay, understand? Now question number 6 is convert given percent to decimal fraction and also to fraction in simplest form. Okay, so first of all you have to convert these percentage into decimal number, and then you have to convert fraction into simplest form. Okay, so what do you mean by 25%? What is the meaning of 25%? So here percentage का साइन है यहाँ पर, तो आप लिखेंगे 25 upon 100. When you cut it down, 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100. So your answer is 1 by 4. So 25% become 1 by 4. Okay, now you have to convert it into percentage to decimal fraction. ओके, अब इसको आपको डेसिमल, ये आपने फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर लिया, अब इसका डेसिमल क्या होगा? इफ़ यू वांट टू डिवाइड 4 2 ज़ा 8, 4 5 ज़ा 20. ओके, सो योर आंसर इज 0.25. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस वे यू कन्वर्ट डेसिमल इनटू फ्रैक्शन एंड लोएस्ट फॉर्म. ओके, understand? Now second one is 150%. What is the meaning of 150%? 150 upon 100. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. It is 3 by 2. Okay, and whenever you convert it into decimal, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Your answer is 1.5. Okay, understand? So this way you complete question number 6. Now question number 7 is in a city 30% of females, 40% are males, and remaining children. What percentage are children? So we have to find. It's given in a city 30% are female. Okay, and 40% are male and remaining are children. Okay, if we take total 100%, so 100 females are 30% and males are 40%. Okay, so we can take 100 minus 30 plus 40. So 30 plus 40 is 70. Okay, we can get 30% plus 40%. So suppose 100% minus 30 plus 40%. Okay, so it become 100 minus 70%. So you can get 30%. Okay, so in a city, if in a city 30% are female, 40% are male, then remaining are children. Okay, so remaining are how many percent are children? 30% are children. Thus children are 30% of the population. Okay, so thus the children are 30% of the population. Okay, understand? Now question number 8. Out of 15,000 votes in a constituency, 60% vote, find the percentage of vote who did not vote. Can you now find the how many actually did not vote? Okay, so first of all it's given. Okay, what is given? Total voters is 15,000. Part of voter who voted, कितने परसेंट वोटर्स ने वोट किया था? 60%. ओके, सो व्हाट इज गिवन? यू कैन राइट इट. गिवन डेट, व्हाट इज गिवन? टोटल वोटर्स is equal to 15,000. Okay, part of voters who voted is 60%. Okay, so total 100% minus 60%, that is 40%. 40% part of voter who did not voted. टोटल 100% में से हम अगर निकालना चाहते हैं, therefore part of voted voters who did not vote, 100% minus 60%. Okay, so it become 40%. so 40%, 15,000 में से 40% ऐसे पीपल्स हैं जिन्होंने वोट नहीं किया. ओके, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड हाउ मेनी पीपल्स डिड नॉट वोट. सो 40% of 15,000. Okay, so 40 upon 100 into 15,000. Okay, so your answer is 15 fours are 60. Okay, so your answer is 6,000. Thus 6,000 voter did not vote. Okay, thus 6,000 voter did not vote. Understand? Now question number 9. Meeta saves rupees 400 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, what is her salary? See, आपको उसकी सैलरी पता नहीं है. मीता वो सेविंग कितना कर रही है? 400 रुपीज़. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? 400 रुपीज़ शी सेव्स, एंड इफ this is 10%, 400 is 10% of his salary, then her salary, then what is her salary? Okay, so we have to write saving कितनी हो रही है उसकी? It's given saving is 10% of salary, and 10% of salary, what is the 10% of salary? 400. saving कितनी है? 400. so 10% of x. Suppose total salary will be x, so you can write 400 is equal to 10 upon 100 into x. Okay, so when you want to find x, so you can write x is equal to 400 into 100 upon 10. So her total salary is rupees 4,000. What is her total salary? Her total salary is 4,000. Okay, understand? Now question number 10. See the question number 10. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? Okay, so read the question carefully. The question is, a local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. Okay, it won 25% of them. How many matches did they won? Okay, so total number of matches played is 20. Part of matches won is 25%. So 25% of 20 हमें फाइंड करना है. Okay, 25% of 20 matches. Okay, so 25 upon 100 into 20. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 are 25. So he won total 5 matches. The team won 5 matches. Okay, understand? So first of all you have to write what is given. Total number of matches played is 20, and parts of matches won is 25%. So you have to find 25% of 20 matches. Okay, so you can get 25 upon 100 into 20. So your answer is 5. So the team won 5 matches. Okay, understand? So this way you have to complete exercise 8.2. Okay, complete the question 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 8, 9 and 10. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? जैसा बताया गया है उस टाइप से आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 से लेकर क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 तक कंप्लीट करना है इन योर नोटबुक. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो कंप्लीट द चैप्टर एंड कंप्लीट द एक्सरसाइज एंड remember all the formulas. Okay, how to find the ratio, how to find the standard form, how to find equivalent ratio, how to convert percentage into fraction and fraction into percentage, how to convert decimal into percentage and percentage into decimal. Okay, so this is the very important things. So you have to complete this 8 chapter 8.2 in your notebook. Complete it by tomorrow. Okay, understand? And if you have any doubt, tell me on WhatsApp. Okay, okay student, have a good day.